Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. Introducing Volvo's new L200 Hi lift lug loader. This machine is designed to increase productivity and reduce operating expenses in the logging industry, building on the success of its predecessor. This loader is more robust and can be equipped with higher capacity gravels as well as handle very heavy loads with additional reinforcements. This machine is designed to handle more material in cubic meters per hour. Jens has introduced its new BA915 D Biomass Processor, which has been specially designed for substrate processing as well as optimizing composting processes. The throughput capacity of this shredder is unrivaled, and there's also a possibility of quickly changing knives and sieve basket. Maintenance of the machine has also been improved. The output belt can now be conveniently swung to the side at the touch of a button, allowing unobstructed access to the rotor. The low drop height from the belt hopper, only 79 inches, makes it easier to load the machine and shortens the wheel loader lift operation, which translates into less energy consumption and shorter loading cycles. The Preno Panther T14R is an extremely versatile tractor transporter. This model can rotate the cab and unloading box 360 degrees and is equipped with a directional reset feature that allows the operator to reset the machine's alignment at the touch of a button. With its high hill climbing ability and low ground pressure, this equipment is built to effortlessly traverse almost any obstacle. All Panther T14R models feature 9.5-yard long dump bodies lined with hard rock steel, which provides significant reinforcement and can withstand some of the most aggressive environments. The technologically advanced M500E1000 is a new force mulcher for 18 to 25-ton excavators. It's ideal for carriers up to 230 horsepower with hydraulic fluid flow rates of 120-265 LPM 31.7 to 70 GPM. The rugged and compact body of this equipment makes this model a versatile unit for mulching trees and dense brush. You can see for yourself on your screens how the M500A works. This is the new stair trenching model CF800. It represents a new drive concept that transmits an extremely high torque to the cutting to earth at a relatively low drive power. With it, you can mill cable ducts up to 12 inches wide and 32 inches deep in a short time. The treasure is suitable for cutting trenches of any requirements such as empty pipes, water pipes, power lines, fiber optic routes or drainage. It really is the perfect machine for broadband extension. And yes, it works many times faster than any excavator. The cutting wheel is equipped with carbide bits with a round shaft that won't stop on rocks in the ground, even in winter when the ground freezes to a depth of up to 24 inches. This technique can be used without any problems. Dancor transplanters are equipped with two semicircular bowls and are suitable for attachment to a crane or excavator. The possible diameter of the root ball is between 150 and 300 centimeters. So this technique will perfectly cope with the process of transplanting large trees. In addition, the machine can, of course, be used for clearing root clumps in tree nurseries. With the help of such machines today, nuts, olives and other fruits are harvested. These machines use a combination of shaking and suction techniques to detach the nut from the tree and transport them to the collection point. This significantly reduces the time and labor required for manual nut harvesting, while also improving the quality of the harvested nuts. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.